Greetings, students. Welcome to week 11's Keywords and Concepts. You're on the home stretch. Yay! All right, so we only have two videos this week because you have finals and I don't want to overload you, but I did promise you pirates in this class, and it's time for pirates. So let's go over some keywords and concepts for pirates. First thing we need to know about are privateers or corsairs. Corsair is literally just the French word for privateer. These are government-funded pirates, right? So we typically think about like the Johnny Depp pirate, right? Like in the Caribbean, just ransacking whatever they can for money. Yeah, that was absolutely a type of pirate, but it was not the most common type of pirate, and it was not the first kind of pirate. The first kinds of pirates were funded by governments, guys. They were 100% funded by governments. The British did it, the French did it, we did it. A lot of our early revolution folks were privateers, and we kind of mock them for being pirates, but they kind of ran the blockades to get us stuff during the revolution, which was pretty cool. So this is going to be relevant for this week as we are dealing with the Barbary Coast and the corsairs there. These were government-funded pirates, so they would attack specific boats based on who their government was at war with, who they wanted to harass, or if they just needed money, right? So lots of different ways. And this is different than like the regular Johnny Depp type of pirate that were generally economically motivated, right? There was also a little bit of an adventure thing there because who doesn't want to be a pirate, you know, like that's fun. But overwhelmingly, most of the pirates were employed by governments, so that's kind of fun. So this was definitely a problem, right? This was definitely a huge problem in the world at this time. Some other words we need to know for our pirate unit this week that don't really have to do with pirates are pasha. A pasha is an Ottoman word denoting a man of high rank and importance. So for the purposes of this week, we're going to learn about the pashas of several Barbary states. So they were basically governors, right? Same idea, just a different word for it. And then finally, for our reading this week, we're reading the Treaty of Tripoli, which is not that long, I promise. I know you have finals this week, so I'm trying to, keep you unstressed. That is the goal. But there is one word in your reading that you're probably going to be like, oh, what now? And you're probably, what is a muscle man? Because it literally sounds like a person who's been anthropomorphized from like seafood, right? And that's not what it is. It's the old word for Muslims. It's what we used to call Muslims. So when you see that in your reading, they mean the Muslims, guys. It's not a weird thing or extra thing. It's just a fun historical difference. And there's a whole etymology to that we don't need to get into, but you just need to know that that's what that word means. Okay. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video.